how to use Grubhub promo code. Now, basically if you want to go ahead and then use your Grubhub promo code, it's actually quite very simple to do so. First of all, launch Grubhub. Once you launch Grubhub, just add the items that you want to buy to your checkout page. Then go to view order. When you're here under view order, it will ask you to check out, right? So proceed to checkout and enter your payment details. After you enter your payment details, on the next page you'll find the add a promo code section. There you can enter your code and click on apply. Then the discount will be applied to your order total if the code is valid. Sometimes the promo code might also be automatically applied, so you might not need to do anything in that case. Either way, this is the way on how you can go ahead and then use Grubhub promo code. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.